Welcome everyone to this video. We are now on Windows 11 version 24H2, which means Microsoft's new spyware has been installed. For those of you who don't know, this version includes Microsoft Recall, which is the new quote-unquote feature that Microsoft has been rolling out. It's really just spyware. And what it does is takes continuous screenshots of your screen while you're using the computer. So that way when you forget what you were doing, it can remind you. No matter how bad your memory is, this is a terrible feature. It's a terrible solution. It's already been shown to take screenshots of credit card numbers and social security numbers. And this is Big Brother taken to an extreme, being advertised as a new AI feature. Everyone within the sound of my voice should be turning this feature off. It is a huge security and privacy risk. Also, please be aware Microsoft has said that they are only turning it on for AI-enabled machines, which for now may be true, but every computer on this version has Microsoft Recall installed. And so if you're using Windows 11, you need to do these following steps to A, check to see if it's enabled, and B, to disable it. To see if Windows Recall is enabled, click on the Windows Start button, search for CMD, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. If you go down to the notes down in the video description, these three command lines will be listed. The first one is to check to see if it is enabled. And so we're just going to copy, paste it into the command prompt and hit enter. And we can see that it is enabled. And so to disable it, we'll just use the second command line. Again, just paste it in, hit enter. It says it was successful. And so we're going to use the first one again to check the status, hit enter, and we can see that it is now disabled. This third command line is to re-enable. Again, just leave it off. I'm putting it there just for information in case someone for some reason needs it. But again, this is absolutely a massive security and privacy concern. And so I would strongly recommend that you always leave this feature disabled. That is everything for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button, the thanks button, the subscribe button, and that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.